Hello students, today we will start your next chapter of maths, algebraic expressions and operations on them. Now see, in this chapter, now see, first example is given over here, 3x minus 2y plus 4z is an algebraic expression. Means such type of equations they are called as algebraic expressions. Now here this x, y, z, they are called as variables. Okay, and the numbers means the numerals 3, 2 and 4. Okay, all these numbers they are called as constants. Now here this whole term 3x, then this 2y and 4z, they are called as terms. Okay, now see, there are two types of terms, like terms and unlike terms. So first see about like terms. The terms having the same variables with the same powers are called like terms. Like terms कोणाला म्हणतात? The terms having the same variables with the same power. म्हणजे व्हेरिएबल सेम असला पाहिजे. व्हेरिएबल म्हणजे त्यामध्ये असणारं अल्फाबेट ABCD XYZ लाईक दॅट. आणि त्यांची पॉवर म्हणजे त्यांचा इंडेक्स हा इक्वल असला पाहिजे, तर त्यांना आपण काय म्हणतो? दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज लाईक टर्म्स. ओके, मीन्स व्हेरिएबल्स अँड देअर पॉवर्स दे आर सेम. Means such type of terms they are called as like terms. So for example, see here 7x is there. So tell me here in this term, this 7 is called as constant. जो नंबर असतो त्याला कॉन्स्टंट म्हणतात, आणि जो अल्फाबेटचं लेटर असते ABCD, आता इथे x आहे. ओके, सो दिस x इज कॉल्ड ॲज व्हेरिएबल अँड दिस होल टर्म इज होल इज कॉल्ड ॲज टर्म. ह्या पूर्ण याला काय म्हणतात? टर्म. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला पद असं म्हणतो. देन सी नेक्स्ट -4/5 into x. So see here variables x and x, both the variables are same, equal, and their powers. Power म्हणजे याचं index. Here there is no power is there, no index is there, means there is a 1. Here is also nothing, means 1 is there, means both are equal. Okay, means such type of terms they are called as like terms. Then see in the next example, 5a square b and -3a square b. Now see this, in this term 5 is called as constant and a square b are called as variables. Okay, and in this term -3 means 3 is constant and a square b, these alphabets they are called as variables. Now see here a square b, here a square b, means both their variables are equal and having their powers are also same. That's why this term, both these terms, they are like terms. Now next, unlike terms. Now the terms not having the same variables are called unlike terms. म्हणजे ज्यामध्ये सेम व्हेरिएबल नसतील त्यांना काय म्हणणार? Unlike terms. Now see, for example, now here 3xy minus 2/5x. Now see here variable is xy is there, but here only x is there, means such type of terms they are called as unlike terms. Then for pq, and here 3pqr, here only pq is there, here pq and r extra also is there. Okay, means such type of terms they are called as unlike terms. Now see, next point is types of algebraic expressions. So these algebraic expressions are divided into 4 types. 4 प्रकार आहेत त्यांचे. First one is monomial, second one is binomial, and third one is trinomial, and fourth one is polynomial. मग आता मोनोमियल कोणाला म्हणतात? The terms which contain only one term. म्हणजे द एक्सप्रेशन विच कंटेन ओनली वन टर्म, म्हणजे ज्यामध्ये फक्त एकच टर्म असते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल सी 5, ओनली नंबर इज देअर. देन -8x, देन 3a square bc, means such type of terms, means they are having only one terms here. Such type of expressions they are called as monomials. Then what about binomials? It contains two terms. Now see, x square minus 3xy means this one term and this another term, 1 and 2. In next example 5xy square, this whole one term ही एक पूर्ण term झाली and minus 2 upon 5yz square means this is the another term, means two terms are there. That's why such type of expressions they are called as binomials. Then trinomials, it contains three terms. Now see, for example, a square means this one term plus ab, this is another, and plus b square, this is third, means 1 2 3, three terms are there. In next example, see, x square plus 2y square plus 3z square means 1 2 3, three terms are there, means such type of expressions they are called as trinomial. And last one is polynomial, म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये आपण त्याला बहुपदी म्हणतो. मग what is the meaning, what about polynomial? It contains more than three terms, म्हणजे तीन किंवा तीनापेक्षा जास्त टर्म्स असतात. So see, 7x raised to 4 minus 3x raised to 3 minus 5x plus 9. So see, 1, this 2, 3 and 4 means 4 terms are there, means this expression is a polynomial. Okay, means in Marathi monomial means एकपदी, एकच पद असतं, only single term is there. Binomial means द्विपदी, याला द्विपदी म्हणतात, म्हणजे दोन पद असतात, two terms are there. In trinomial means त्रिपदी, यामध्ये तीन टर्म असतात. अँड पॉलिनॉमियल म्हणजेच बहुपदी, त्यामध्ये काय असतात, तीन पेक्षा जास्त टर्म असतात, तिला काय म्हणतात, पॉलिनॉमियल म्हणतात. डू यू अंडरस्टूड अप टू दिस? ओके, सो सी युअर प्रॅक्टिस सेट 32. In practice set 32, question is given over here. Classify the following algebraic expressions as monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomials. म्हणजे तुम्हाला हे एक्झाम्पल्स दिलेले आहेत आणि त्यांचं तुम्हाला क्लासिफिकेशन करायचं आहे मोनोमियलमध्ये, बायनॉमियलमध्ये, ट्रायनॉमियलमध्ये आणि पॉलिनॉमियलमध्ये. लाईक दॅट. सो सी, फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल 7x. सो which type of term it is? Only single term is there, that's why it is a monomial, means it write down in monomial column. Then in next example 5y minus 7z, see 1 and 2 terms are there, so 2 terms means binomial, so write down 5y minus 7z. In third example 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11, see one term, this second term and this third term, means three terms, means this right here in trinomial, 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11. Now see, 1 minus 8a minus 7a square minus 7a cube, 1 2 3 4 terms are there, means write down here 1 minus 8a minus 7a square minus 7a cube. Now see, fifth example, how many terms are there? This one term, this second term, means two terms are there. So what is this? This is a binomial. So write down in binomial 5m minus 3. Then see, only a is there, so it is a single term, so that is a monomial. So write down in monomial column. Then see, 4 is also single here, so write down it also in monomial. Then 3y square minus 7y plus 5, see 1 2 3 terms are there, means trinomial, so write down here 3y square minus 7y plus 5, like that. Okay, means do you understood up to this? It is very so simple. Now see, practice set 33. In this you have to add. Now see, two expressions are given over here. So first at the starting give equal to sign. Then this first expression 9p plus 16q, this write down into the bracket 9p plus 16q. And what is the instruction? Add, means we have to take their addition, so write down plus sign here. Then write down this second expression 13p plus 2q, and write down this alphabet also properly. otherwise your 9, P, Q all are same. So make a difference there. Now see, now in the next step what we have to do, we have to open the brackets. आपल्याला हे bracket मधून open करायचे आहेत. So write down as it is because all the signs are positive, means there is no question. So 9P plus 16Q plus 13P plus 2Q. Okay, we have taken out these expressions out of this bracket now. Now what we have to do, now we have to take the like terms near. म्हणजे ज्या लाईक टर्म्स आहेत त्यांना आपल्याला जवळ घ्यायचे आहेत. नाव सी दिस फर्स्ट टर्म 9P. नाव अगेन where is the like term of 9P? कुठे आहे बरं? This 13P. So write down this here 13P. Then this 16Q plus 16Q. Where is Q? Here. So plus 2Q means which sign you have to write it. Now see, both these terms they are like terms. So underline it. हे सारखे पद झाले ना, त्यांना अंडरलाईन करून घ्यायचं. मग आता यामध्ये काय करायचं, 9 plus 13. Okay, so see, or do directly 9 plus 13 how much? 22P plus 16 plus 2 18 and write down this Q as it is, means this is your final answer. Do you understood? It is so simple, so be careful. Then next example is this. So first write down in the bracket minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 and make a bracket. Then we have to add, so give plus sign. So in the next bracket write down 7y square plus 8. Now in next step what we have to do, we have to take them outside of the bracket. आपल्याला त्यांना bracket मधून बाहेर घ्यायचे आहेत. So write down 3y square plus 10y minus 16 as it is. Plus this 7y square plus 8. Now in next step what we have to do, we have to take the like terms near. Now see this first term minus 3y square. So again see where is y square? Here is there is a y square. So take this with sign plus 7y square. So write down plus 7y square. Then see here plus 10y is there, but there I think there is no other y there, only 10y is there. So write down as it is. Then make underline here, this is only single term, and here this minus 16 and this plus 8. Okay, means only the numerals or numbers are there. Now take their addition subtraction. What is that? See, minus 3 plus 7 means one number is negative, one number is positive. So what we do at that time, we take their difference, आपण वजाबाकी करतो. So 7 minus 3 how much? 4. But here 7 is a big number than 3 and 7 having plus sign, so it is your plus 4. Or do not give that plus sign, it's okay. So 4y square. Now this plus 10y as it is, and here see minus 16 plus 8. So do their subtraction. 16 minus 8, 8. And here 16 is a big number and having minus sign. So your answer comes minus 8 here. Means this is your final answer. Do you understood this? Okay. Now see your practice set 34. Now here what we have to do, you have to subtract the second term from second expression from the first one. म्हणजे काय करायचं, या पहिल्यामधून हे सेकंड एक्सप्रेशन दिलेलं आहे तुम्हाला मायनस करायचं आहे. आता यामध्ये दोन पद्धतीने आपण हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करू शकतो. एक आहे हॉरिझॉन्टल अरेंजमेंट आणि दुसरी आहे व्हर्टिकल अरेंजमेंट. मी या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला दोघंही मेथड दाखवणार आहे. तुम्हाला दोघंही आल्या पाहिजेत. ओके, यू मस्ट हॅव टू सॉल्व बाय बोथ दिस मेथड. बट यू कॅन फॉलो एनी वन ऑफ देम म्हणजे तुम्ही त्यापैकी कुठली कुठली तरी एक वापरा, पण तुम्हाला आल्या दोघी पाहिजे, तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस दोघींची करायची आहे. नाऊ सी, हॉरिझॉन्टल मेथडमध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे की फर्स्ट टर्ममधून सेकंड टर्म मायनस करायची आहे. सो काय करणार तुम्ही, सो राईट डाऊन दिस फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट ॲज इट इज आहे तसाच ठेवा हां. सो राईट डाऊन 5x + 4y + 7z. Okay, then you have to subtract it, so give minus sign. Now see, in the next bracket write down as it is आहे तसाच उतरवा त्याला, x + 2y + 3z. Okay, now see, now give equal to sign over here. Now what you have to do, you have to open the brackets open करायचे ना. आता remember this first bracket as it is you have to write down. So 5x + 4y + 7z. Now stop. Why? Because here there is a negative sign. And if there is a negative sign before the bracket, all the signs in the brackets get चेंज. ओके, म्हणजे जर ब्रॅकेटच्या आधी मायनस साईन असेल, सबट्रॅक्ट करतोय आपण, ओके, तर ब्रॅकेटमधले सगळे चिन्ह बदलतील, म्हणजे जे आहेत त्यांचे ऑपोजिट्स येतील. म्हणजे सी, इन द ब्रॅकेट दिस +x is there, so it becomes -x. This +2y becomes -2y. This +3z becomes -3z. Do you understood what I am telling you? Their sign changes. Sign बदलतात. लक्षात ठेवायचे हे. Now see, in the next step we have to take the like terms near. Now see, this 5x write down as it is. Then where is again x? This x is there. So write down -x. Now no more x is there. So okay. Now y. This +4y is there, means which sign I am writing? Then this +4y is there. So again see, where is y? This. So write down this -2y is there. That's why I am writing -2y. Then y is over now. Now see, +7z. So +7z. And where is again z? This -3z. -3z. म्हणजे जे सजातीय पद आहेत लाईक टर्म्स, ते आपण जवळ करून घेतल्यात, विथ साईन सकट उचललेत आपण त्यांना. सो दिस लाईक टर्म्स अंडरलाईन इट. So in the next step what you have to do, you have to take their addition, addition, subtraction. What is that? So see, 5 minus here no variable or what we say that constant is there, no number is there. No number is there means there is a 1 is there. So 5 minus 1, what is your answer? 4. And this 5 is a big having plus sign, so it is a plus. Okay, so 4 and this variable write down as it is. Then in next term see, +4 minus 2, what is your answer? +2. Okay, so +2y. Then in next term +7z -3z means +7 -3. Take their subtraction. 7 minus 3 4, but here 7 is a big number having plus sign, so here your answer comes 4z, +4z. Do you understood up to this? Now this is your final answer. Now we have to do this vertical arrangement here. Now see, while doing vertical arrangement, what we have to do, you have to write this first bracket. So write down 5x + 4y + 7z. Okay, now you have to subtract, so give subtraction sign over here. Then which bracket you have to subtract? This second bracket, so write down here, means 5x, below that you write this x. Then +2y, write down below 4y, 2y + 3z. Okay, now what we have to do here? Now you have to change their signs. Okay, means see, this x is plus. Here no sign is there means it is a plus. So this plus become minus. Now do not consider this. Now this plus 2 becomes minus, so do not consider this sign, and this plus 3 becomes minus 3. Okay, mean instead of this signs, now you have to consider this signs and you have to do subtraction here. Now see 5x minus x. What is your answer? 5 minus 1, 4x. Okay, now see plus 4 minus 2. What is your answer? Plus 2y. Here plus 7 minus 3. We take their subtraction. So 7 minus 3, how much? 4. But this 7 is a big number having plus sign, means plus 4z. Okay, means this is your answer, and here finally write down answer equal to 4x plus 2y plus 4z. Do you understood this? So simple, but be careful. एक जरी साइन आपलं चुकलं तरी पूर्ण एक्झाम्पल रॉंग येईल. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल अगेन. आय टेक वन मोर एक्झाम्पल. सी अगेन दिस इज ऑफ सबट्रॅक्शन हियर. सो राईट डाऊन फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट ॲज इट इज आहे तसंच ठेवायचं त्याला. सो 6x² प्लस 7xy plus 16y square. Then what we have to do? We have to do subtraction here. So write down negative sign, minus sign. Then write down this second bracket, 16x² minus 17xy. Okay. So in the next step, now what we have to do? You have to take it outside of this bracket. So again this first bracket write down as it is. आहे तसाच ठेवायचा. So give equal to sign. 6x² plus 7xy plus 16y square. Okay, now stop. Because here there is a minus sign. So what? All the changes in the next bracket get changes. Means this plus 16 becomes minus 16x². This minus 17xy becomes plus 17xy. Why? Because there is a negative sign before of this bracket. That's why all the signs in the this next bracket get changed here. Okay, now in the next step, so simple. Now you have to take like terms. So see 6x². So write down 6x² as it is. ते आहे तसेच ठेवा. So see again where there is x², this x² is there. So what is that? Minus 16x². So write down which sign? Minus 16x². Okay, means x² finish. Then 7xy. This is plus 7xy. That's why write down plus 7xy. Now where is xy again? Here there is. So what is that? Plus 17xy. So write down plus 17xy. Now xy also finish. Now see next term 16y² means plus 16y². So write down plus 16y². Now is there any y²? No y² is there. Means these two terms, these like terms, and this is a single term. Okay. Now see 6 minus 16. What is your answer? 16 madhun 6 minus kara. What is your answer? 10. But this 16 is a big number and having minus sign. That's why give here minus sign, minus 10x². This x² you have to write as it is. Then plus 7 and plus 17. What is your answer? 24. But both are plus sign, means no problem is there. Give plus sign. 24 and this variable as it is आहे तसेच ठेवा. Then here is that plus 16y² as it is. So finally here write down answer equal to minus 10x² plus 24xy plus 16y² and make a bracket over here. That's your final answer. Then vertical method. Now see, write down this first bracket as it is. आहे तसाच ठेवा. 6x² plus 7xy plus 16y². Okay, so minus this second bracket. Now see where there is here 3 terms are there, and in this bracket only 2 terms are there. Okay, so where is this x square? You have to write it below that term. So 16x square. So this is your first term right here, 16x square. Now what is that? Minus 17xy. Okay, now here there is no, so write down 0. Simple 0 write down. Now what you have to do? You have to change the signs. Now see, this 16 is a plus. This is no sign is there, means it is a plus, means this sign becomes minus. This minus becomes plus. This is 0, means there is no problem. Now see, so 6 minus 16, what is your answer? Minus 10x square. Now plus 7 plus 17, what is your answer? Plus 24. And this variable write down as it is, आहे तशीच ठेवायची. And plus 16, this is 0, means this plus 16 as it is, plus 16y square, means this is your answer. So finally here write down answer equal to minus 10x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. Okay, so these are the two methods, means you can solve these expressions by two methods, horizontal and vertical. But you can solve by any one of them, which is easy for you. तुम्हाला जी सोपी वाटेल ती एक पद्धत वापरा, पण तुम्हाला त्या दोघंही येणं आवश्यक आहे, माहिती पाहिजे तुम्हाला त्या. ठीक आहे, सो मेक देअर प्रॅक्टिस. नाउ सी, नेक्स्ट इज 35, practice set 35. In this what you have to do? You have to take multiplication there, multiply. So see, first example is given over here, 16xy into 18xy. So what you have to do here? You have to write in the multiplication form. So 16 multiplied by x multiplied by y, like that. Again this multiplied by 18 multiplied by x multiplied by y, means we have written in the multiplication form simply. Now see, where there are numbers, they take their near, त्यांना जवळ घ्यायचे आहेत. 16 into 18 into, आता हे जे आहेत ना, हे काय करायचं आहे तुम्हाला, जे लाईक टर्म्स आहेत, आता लाईक टर्म्स कोण आहेत? इथे x आहे, इथे x आहे. सो टेक देम here, x into x, then here y, here also y, into y into y. Now see, 16 into 18, its multiplication comes 288. Then this x into x, x square, and y multiplied by y, y square, means this is your answer. Answer equal to 288 x square y square. Do you understood? So simple example are there. Now see, in the next example what is given, two brackets are there and we have to take multiplication there. Now in such type of examples what we have to do, you have to take the first term in the first bracket. फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेटमध्ये पहिली टर्म कुठली दिलेली आहे तर 4x. सो राईट डाऊन 4x. नाउ व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू, वी हॅव टू मल्टिप्लाय दिस फर्स्ट टर्म टू दिस होल ब्रॅकेट. ह्या पूर्ण ब्रॅकेटला या 4xने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे. म्हणून काय लिहायचं आहे, सो राईट डाऊन दिस ब्रॅकेट, डायरेक्ट राईट डाऊन इन टू द ब्रॅकेट 9x प्लस 7y. कळलंय आपण काय करतो, या 4xने या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करतोय. आता हे आपण लिहिलं. आता काय करायचं, व्हॉट इज द नेक्स्ट टर्म, प्लस 5y. विच साइन यू हॅव टू टेक, बी केअरफुल ऑफ दिस एक्झाम्पल्स. प्लस 5y. सो राईट डाऊन प्लस 5y हियर अँड अगेन मल्टिप्लाय दिस प्लस 5y टू दिस ब्रॅकेट. मीन्स अगेन यू हॅव टू मल्टिप्लाय दिस ब्रॅकेट. सो राईट डाऊन 9x प्लस 7y. कळलंय, म्हणजे या टर्मने एकदा या ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आणि दुसऱ्या टर्मने परत त्याच ब्रॅकेटला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. ओके, नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप व्हॉट वी हॅव टू डू, वी हॅव टू टेक देअर multiplication. Now see, this 4x इज मल्टिप्लाइड टू धिस होल ब्रॅकेट. हा, पूर्ण ब्रॅकेटला तो गुणाकार आहे, मल्टिप्लिकेशन आहे त्याचं. याचाच अर्थ काय, हा 4x 9xला पण मल्टिप्लाय आहे आणि 4x या 7y पण आहे मल्टिप्लाय. लक्षात आलं, म्हणून त्यांना आपण सेपरेट लिहून घेऊ म्हणजे तुमचा गोंधळ होणार नाही. सो 4x इंटू 9x. ओके, देन दिस प्लस साइन प्लस 4x मल्टिप्लाइड बाय 7y. कळलंय काय केलं मी. देन सेम हियर. हां, सो प्लस 5y इंटू 9x म्हणजे 5yने 9xला मल्टिप्लाय केलं, तसंच 5yने 7yला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे इंटू 7y. नाउ सी, now we have to take here their product, here this product, here this product and here this product. So underline it, means you do not get confused, तुमचा गोंधळ होणार नाही. So see, 9 4 जा 36, x into x, x square. Here 4x into 7y, so 4 7 जा 28xy. So see here all the signs are positive, means no doubt of negative sign there. ठीक है. So next plus 5y plus 9y means plus 5 9 जा 45xy plus 5 7 जा 35 and y into y square. Okay, now see this x square is there, here there is a xy and xy, these are the like terms. Okay, so in the next step what we have to do, this first term you have to write down as it is, आहे तशीच ठेवा तिला. आता बघा इथे काही या दोघं लाईक टर्म्स आहेत आणि त्यांची ॲडिशन आहे, मीन्स प्लस 28 प्लस 45. सो व्हॉट इज युअर आन्सर, प्लस 73xy. हां, हे XY आहेत व्हेरिएबल, ते तसेच ठेवायचे. देन प्लस 35y square, means this is your final answer. And finally here write down answer equal to 36x square plus 73xy plus 35y square and make a bracket over here. And write systematically. See my equal to sign, how I have written. So you also copy in your classwork notebook like this, and write properly these numbers, their variables, all that things. Now see, one statement sum is there. The length of a rectangle is 8x plus 5 centimeter and its breadth is 5x plus 3 centimeter. Find its area. Now first what is given, now see, I am drawing here rough figure for your अंडरस्टँडिंग. तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठी एक आकृती काढते. काय दिलंय फिगर, रेक्टँगल, म्हणून मी रेक्टँगल ड्रॉ केला. रेक्टँगलचं काय दिलंय तुम्हाला, लेंथ दिली आहे, हाऊ मच, 8x प्लस 5 सेंटीमीटर. अँड ब्रेथ, रुंदी दिली आहे, किती दिली आहे ती, 5x प्लस 3 centimeter. And what you have to find out, you have to find out the area of a rectangle. So here first write down length equal to how much, 8x plus 5 centimeter. Breadth equal to, breadth किती दिली आहे, 5x plus 3 centimeter. म्हणजे ज्या गोष्टी तुम्हाला दिलेल्या आहेत ना त्या आधी लिहून घ्यायच्या, नंतर तुम्हाला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे, फाइंड इट्स एरिया. सो हियर राईट डाऊन दी एरिया ऑफ ए रेक्टँगल. सो व्हॉट इज द फॉर्म्युला फॉर एरिया ऑफ ए रेक्टँगल, आयताचं क्षेत्रफळ काढण्याचं सूत्र काय आहे, लेंथ मल्टिप्लाइड बाय ब्रेथ. बरोबर ना, लांबी गुणिले रुंदी आपण मराठीमध्ये म्हणतो. सो सी व्हॉट इज लेंथ हियर, 8x प्लस 5. सो राईट डाऊन बिलो लेंथ 8x प्लस 5 मल्टिप्लाइड बाय व्हॉट इज ब्रेथ, 5x प्लस 3. Now simply in the above example what we have done here, like that you have to solve this bracket. Now you have to multiply this 8x to this whole bracket. So write down 8x multiplied by, write down this whole bracket as it is 5x plus 3. Then what is the next term, plus 5. So here write down plus 5 and multiply to this whole bracket, means 5x plus 3. Okay, now you have to separate it, means this 8x is multiplied to this whole bracket. That's why separate now 8x multiplied by 5x and then 8x multiplied by 3. So here write down 8x multiplied by 5x plus 8x multiplied by 3. Again here same plus 5 multiplied by 5x and again this 5 multiplied by 3 plus 5 multiplied by 3. Now see, take their product. आता आपल्याला त्यांचं काय करायचं आहे, गुणाकार करून घ्यायचा आहे. सो 8 5 40 and x into x, x square. This remember we are doing multiplication, that's why it comes x square. Then plus 8 3 24 x only, plus 5 5 25 x only, and plus 5 3 15. Now see, in this equation or expression, these are the like terms. So right in the next step what you will do, this 40x write down as it is आहे तसेच ठेवा, आणि हे जे like terms आहेत यांची ॲडिशन करा. 24 plus 25 how much, plus 49x and plus 15 means final answer. This is your answer. Now final, because it is a statement sum, that's why write in full. So the area of the rectangle is how much, 40x square plus 49x plus 15, and that is the area. That's why write down square meter. This unit is important here, and make a box over here. Okay, means this is your final answer. Then see next your practice set 36. Now in this practice set what we have to do, you have to solve the following equations. Now in that see, one example is given over here. 4x, practice set 36. 4x plus 1 upon 2 equal to 9 upon 2. Now what we have to do here, now see, this 4x plus 1 upon 2 equal to 9 upon 2. Now here we want only 4x here. Means we have to cancel this 1 upon 2 from here. So what we have to do then, so we subtract 1 upon 2 to the from both the sides. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, दोघं बाजूंनी वन अपॉन 2 सबट्रॅक्ट करावा लागेल. म्हणून काय करणार तुम्ही, राईट डाऊन दिस फर्स्ट टर्म ॲज इट इज. 4x प्लस 1/2 हे आहे तसेच ठेवा. आपण काय करणार आहोत, मायनस करणार आहोत 1/2, कारण आपल्याला हे कॅन्सल करायचे त्या ठिकाणून म्हणून. ओके, अँड सेम ॲट राईट साईड 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. Here give reason, subtracting 1 upon 2 from both sides and complete that. Then in the next step what we have to do, this 4x write down as it is. Now this plus 1/2 and this minus 1/2 get cancelled. They cancel होतील because they are opposite numbers. So equal to, now see, 9 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. So 9 minus 1, see their denominators are equal na. So write down upon 2. So in the next step 4x equal to 9 minus 1, 8. 8 upon 2. So 4x equal to, now see, if we divide 8 divided by 2 it becomes 4. So x equal to, sorry, this 4x now what we want only x here. Now this 4 is multiplied to x here, so we have to cancel this 4 here. So what will you do, we divide by 4 to the both sides. Okay, means dividing both the sides by 4 means this 4x divided by 4 equal to 4 upon 4, and here give reason, dividing both sides by 4. शिकलात ना तुम्ही 6th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये. So what will your answer? This 4 and 4 get cancel. Only x is here. X equal to 4 ones are 4. So x equal to 1. This is your final answer. Now see in the next example, what again here 2 into the bracket x minus 4 and equal to 4x plus 2. Now here what we have to do again, first open this bracket and 2 is multiplied to this bracket. So 2 into x, how much? 2x. Now I am writing directly, 2x. 2 into minus 4, what is answer? Minus 8, equal to 4x plus 2. Okay, now what? This is your this step. Now in the next step what you will do, now we have to cancel this minus 8 here from here. Okay, so we add 8 to the both sides, so 2x minus 8, this is as it is. Now we add plus 8 here and same here, 4x plus 2 plus 8. Here write down the reason, adding 8 to both sides, and complete that sentence. So this minus 8 and this plus 8 get cancelled here. So what is remain? Only 2x equal to this 4x plus 10. Now in the next step, this 2x minus, now so we subtract this 4x from both sides. So 2x minus 4x equal to 4x plus 10 and minus 4x. Means what we have done here, we subtract 4x from both side. दोघी बाजूंनी आपण काय केलं, 4x subtract केलेले आहेत. So 2 minus 4, your answer comes minus 2x. Now this 4x and this 4x gets cancelled because they are opposite numbers, equal to only 10 is here. Now what we have to do again, now we have to cancel this 2 from here. So again divide both sides by 2. Minus 2. Okay, so minus 2x upon minus 2 equal to 10 divided by minus 2, and here write down the reason, dividing both sides by minus 2. So in the next step, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, only x is there. So x equal to minus 5. 2 5s are 10 and this minus sign comes here. So your answer is minus 5. And in such type of equations, remember one thing. Now here there is a equal to sign. So do not give at starting their equal to sign. म्हणजे सुरुवातीला मग बरोबरचं चिन्ह द्यायचं नाही. म्हणजे एका इक्वेशन मध्ये असे दोन दोन इक्वल टू चे साइन येत नाहीत. So be careful, give 3 dots here. So like that. Then next statement sum is given over here. Now see, Rakesh age is 5 years less than, less word not written here, less than Sania's age. The sum of their age is 27. So how old are they? So first what is the given in the example, ते आधी समजून घ्या. राकेश एज इज 5 years लेस दॅन सानियास एज. राकेशचं वय सानियाच्या वयापेक्षा किती वर्षांनी कमी आहे? तर 5 yearsने कमी आहे. द सम ऑफ देअर एज इज 27. त्यांच्या दोघांच्या वयांची जर बेरीज केली तर ती किती येते? 27 येते. सो हाऊ ओल्ड आर दे? तर मग ते म्हणजे त्यांची वय काय आहे थोडक्यात. मग आधी आपल्याला कुणाचं एज मानावं लागणार आहे? आपल्याला सानियाचं. लक्षात आलं? सो हिअर फर्स्ट राईट डाऊन, लेट सानियास एज बी, काहीतरी लेटर मानूया आपण, एक्स मानूया, BX years. सो मग त्याच्यावरून राकेशचं एज काढायचं आहे आपल्याला. राकेश एज इज हाऊ मच? तो सानियापेक्षा कसा आहे? 5 वर्षांनी लेस आहे, कमी आहे. कमी आहे म्हणजे सबट्रॅक्ट. सानियाचं वय किती आहे? एक्स. सो एक्स मायनस 5 years. ओके, जर मोठा असता सानियापेक्षा 5 वर्षांनी मोठा असता तर आपण इथे काय केलं असतं, +5 केले असते, बट इट इज लेस, दॅट्स वाय -5. So remember these small things. Now see, what is the other condition? The sum of their age. The sum of their age is 27 years. Okay, so take what is their addition na. So see, for Sania's age x, then Rakesh age x -5, and we have to take their addition, how much, 27 years. Now solve it, x plus, now this open bracket, x -5 equal to 27. So here 2x -5 equal to 27. Now here what you will do, now you will add +5 to the both the sides of the equation. So 2x -5 plus 5. Here 27 plus 5. Here write down adding 5 to both the sides. Okay, so give it is necessary to give this reason. So see, this -5 and +5 get cancelled over here, so only 2x remains. So 2x equal to 27 plus 5, 32. Now again what we have to do, you have to cancel this 2 from here. So what we have to do now, you have to divide by 2 to the both sides. So divide 2x divided by 2. Here 32 divided by 2. Here write down dividing both sides by 2. So here see, this 2 and 2 get cancelled, only x is there, and what is your answer, 16. Means x equal to 16 years. This is your answer, but this is not final answer. Now what is that? Now this x we have considered for Sania's age. So here write down Sania's age equal to how much, 16 years, and Rakesh age equal to how much, x -5, means x -5 means how much, x means 16. 16 minus 5, what is your answer, 11 years. Now see, this 11 years, this 16 years. So see, 16 plus 11, that is 27, and that is given, the sum of their age is 27, means our answer is right. Do you understood up to this? So okay, today we will stop here, and today we have finished this your chapter. What is that, algebraic expressions and operations on them. So next chapter we will start in our next lecture. Okay, so practice all the examples, and be careful about science. Take care. Goodbye.